So today I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Polymarket. Now we're actually here on the home tab in real time. And there are two quick ways you can do this. Either A, you can see at the top right hand side, since we have no money in here, we can hit the deposit word, or you can click down here towards the very center of the bottom screen where it says portfolio and it shows $0. That'll also take you to this similar section here for you. So here we can actually deposit with our Apple Pay if we wanted to, but there are other methods. We could either do a debit card, our bank transfer, or a wire transfer as well. Since we want to kind of just do this on the more across the basis line, we're going to go ahead and click on here where it says debit card. And the first thing it's going to ask you to do is confirm your address. Make sure everything here looks good. If not, make sure you change it. And then we're going to click on continue. All right, so from here, this is where you're going to add your card. You're going to put your cardholder name, the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number, and click on add. And I'll show you the next step. All right, so once we added the card in here, you're going to see this new section that says deposit. We're going to go ahead and choose how much we want to put in. Obviously, there is a daily limit of 50,000, but I don't think we need to worry about that. There are some pre-populated numbers over here that you can click on. But for our example here today, we're just going to do $20. And then it's going to show what we are paying with. You can always change this or add additional cards or banks on file. If everything here looks good, we're going to click on where it says deposit now in blue. Now we actually do have an extra step of verification, I believe, since this is our first time using this account on here. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the one-time code being sent to our phone number from our bank for that extra protection. And this shouldn't show up every single time, but just as a thing to show you during this process. And then after a few moments, we got plugged back into our portfolio tab here, and you can see we now have $70 with our $20 deposit, plus any bonus that we had, which was an extra 50 here as well. And that is how you deposit money on the Polymarket app. Now, there's always more to show you when it comes to using your financial apps, so check out our video right over here on screen to keep on learning.